Hello and welcome to a Solana update video. Like always, first we are going to take a look to the 3 days chart, 3 days time frame, and then switch to the shorter time frame. So in the daily chart, we have a double one to set up, 1, 2, 1, and we are still running in the second wave 2. So we have an A wave, a red A wave. Right now we are in the red B wave. And I already said that in the last Solana video, we have two possibilities in this red B wave. So I will mention it shortly. So we are right now in this A wave. We completed a B wave and we are in a C wave. So this is a wave, this is a B wave, and this is a C wave. And we have two possibilities. So this ABC structure, what we are currently making, could be only the subwaves of this A wave here, of this bigger A wave. Then we could see a B wave and then a 5-wave move in a C wave. In that case, we would see an overshooting B wave. Second scenario would be that in this ABC structure that we are completing right now, this could be our B wave, because B wave is a 3-wave move, and this 3-wave move could be sufficient for this B wave. In that case, we would only see a normal B wave from the length and then go down in this C wave. That's the two possibilities in this B wave. We also got another option. The other option would be that the wave 2 here is already in, but in that case the chart needs to give me more evidence, so more upside momentum, and I mean we can also change it afterwards in a more bullish case. So after the B wave, like I said, in the two cases we would see a 5-wave move to the downside in the C wave, and then we have our second wave 2. So let's switch to the shorter time frame. Like I already said in the daily chart, we are completing an ABC structure. We have an A wave here in orange, then a B wave, and we are right now in a C wave. So in this C wave we have two possibilities. Let's start with the yellow count. In the yellow count, we would count it like this. So a C wave has to be a 5-wave move. Then we could have seen a wave 1, wave 2. Then we would be in a wave 3 here in yellow in our target area of this yellow wave 3, starting with the 161% level at $172, extending to the 261% level at $194. Then we would see a wave 4 and then a wave 5 here in yellow in our target area of the wave C, our ideal target. Let me change it quickly. In percent, our ideal target for our wave C would be the 100% level at $215, extending to the 123% level at $236. The second scenario would be, like I said, a wave C has to be a 5-wave move, but we can go as an impulse, so the subwaves are also 5-wave moves, or as an diagonal structure, means that the subwaves are 3-wave moves. So the other scenario would be that we have an ABC structure here, A, B, C, in this wave 1. Then we have seen a wave 2, and right now we also would be in the wave 3, but in this wave 3 here, our target area of the wave 3 would be above this target area, starting here also with the 161% level at $201, extending to the 261% level at $236. In that case, in that more bullish case, we would go above this target area. So let me add a second target area. In that case, we could see higher prices. So let me change it quickly. here in percent. We could go higher. So the target area of the wave C is identically to the target area of wave 3, with one exception. Like I said, the ideal target is the 100% level, but we can also go higher. And in the second case, we could go in this target area here in orange, starting with the 161% level at $271, extending to the 261% level at $361. So that's the two options in this wave C. We need to look. So the chart needs obviously to give us more evidence, so we can identify very soon if we are in the yellow option, so in the less bullish option, or in the more bullish option, and we could go in this target area here. Exactly. In the validation point for our ABC structure here is the red line here at round about $95. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, leave a like, a comment, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.